How to book GrabCar for later time. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book GrabCar for later time. First, open your web browser. You'll need to follow these steps in order to book a GrabCar in advance. Open your Grab app and select Transport. Then, find the Later button at the bottom component. Then, you need to add your desired pickup date and time as well as your pickup and drop-off locations. It is always better to book a GrabCar in advance. Here you can also book a GrabCar through its website. You just need to follow these steps. On scrolling down, you'll find answers to related queries. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.